Welcome to the Plan 612 model, a beautiful two-story home built with a flexible use of space as well as inviting outdoor living areas. This beautiful two-story home includes 4 spacious bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms and 1 powder room, a beautiful rotunda entry that leads into a large great room and elegant dining area where the sliding door to the patio seamlessly connects the indoor and outdoor living spaces. The beautiful kitchen overlooks the dining and great room and features plenty of counter space with a convenient breakfast bar and a walk-in pantry. The owner's suite of Plan 612 features a private corner retreat space and exclusive balcony, as well as a relaxing bathroom retreat with a large step-in shower, a dual-sink vanity, and 2 walk-in closets. This incredible new home also includes plenty of extra storage and a 2-bay garage. And because Lennar is the only home builder to offer everything's included homes, Plan 612 also includes all of the green features, smart technology, and luxury designer upgrades that you have come to expect from Lennar. For more information on this amazing new home or for directions to any of our premier neighborhoods, visit lennar.com.